Hello, we are here today because you have hired us to help you analyze your digital online presence and provide recommendations on how to improve business and the popularity of your restaurant. We've taken a look at your location, target audience, your menu, and your social media accounts. Our goal today is to give you the results of our analysis and provide recommendations on how you can improve and draw more attention to your restaurant. First, we're going to evaluate your location along with the business model and target audience. Let's imagine a suburban dad and his two little boys are trying to find a place close to home for dinner. After deciding that they all wanted pizza for dinner, Dad starts Googling pizza near Parkville, Mo. While looking at the results, Dad sees there are a few options that are close to their house. But he's a little bit concerned about what he finds because they don't look very family friendly. When reading the reviews, he notices that people say the food is just okay, and they would rather eat elsewhere. Since the next few results are your typical Papa John's or Domino's, and Dad wants to be able to take his boys to a place where they can sit down as a family and doesn't want to search online forever, he decides to move on and look for different options. Wilson's Pizza and Grill has good reviews and has a good reputation, but people wouldn't really know that unless they did their research and dove headfirst into the reviews and the comments on your Facebook page. Our suggestion to make your restaurant known as a family-friendly restaurant is to improve the appearance of your social media, create posters to hang on your windows outside about family specials and promotions, and post pictures of your customers enjoying themselves and eating your food. The second thing that we're going to evaluate is your online presence. A website, social media platforms, online menu and delivery options, and hours of operation and reviews. While we were analyzing your online platform, we found your Facebook page, as well as a URL to a link tree that has options for Grubhub, DoorDash, and Uber Eats, as well as a link to an article about your Top 100 award. When first looking at your Facebook page, we can see a lot of comments from your customers and obvious signs that they enjoy your restaurant. Using Facebook to connect with your customers, update specials and promos going on, and inform customers about restaurant hours and closures is a great idea. While still looking at your Facebook, we can see a URL link to a link tree that has multiple online delivery options. When a customer clicks on one of these options, they're taken to the external resource to order online. On this same page as your online delivery options, we can see the link to an article that names your restaurant number 100 out of 101 best pizza restaurants in America. Now, as we all know, our society is primarily social media and technology, and most people know how to use these. But let's imagine an older couple Googles pizza near me and scrolls upon Wilson's Pizza and Grill's Facebook page. Because they're used to using Facebook, they click on the link to see what's on the menu and see how far away it is from their house. When they get to the Facebook page, they're a bit confused as to where the menu is and how to find it. After taking a while to try and find the menu, they decide it's not really worth it, so they're going to stick with what they know and visit their favorite restaurant right down the road. After analyzing the entirety of your digital presence, we have a few recommendations that we think would help improve your online presence, help you reach every age group of customers, and create more awareness for your business. The first thing that we recommend is using search engine optimization techniques, so it brings your restaurant higher on the search results. Words like family-friendly, pizzeria, and for kids may help your search results put you higher up. So let's go back to the scenario with Dad and the two boys. If you were to use these techniques and bring your website higher on the search results page, Dad probably wouldn't have skipped over your restaurant. Using these techniques will help make people aware of your restaurant, which will result in more business for you. The second recommendation Third recommendation that we have The second recommendation that we have for you is to create a website for your restaurant. While having a social media is great to keep in touch with your customers and post minor updates, it doesn't provide a lot of information that new customers look for when they're researching restaurants. We suggest having a website so that you have pictures of your customers eating your food, a place to post monthly or weekly specials and promotions, a place for your hours and address, and a quick and easy way to view your menu. As well as a Facebook and a website, it wouldn't hurt to have an Instagram account for your restaurant because that adds a whole nother population of potential customers that you could reach. The third recommendation that we have is to create an online menu for your customers to view. For example, just taking your current menu and uploading it to your website gives customers an easy way to view it. Here's an example of what your online menu could look like. Now go back to the scenario with the older couple. If you were to add a picture of your menu to your website under the tab labeled Menu, it would be much easier for them to find it. This too would result in more business for your restaurant because people wouldn't have to click more than 3 buttons just to find what they're looking for. Our fourth and final recommendation would be to create more advertisements, such as investing in local billboards. Once you have a strong advertisement and you make your restaurant known, you'll see a significant increase in business. If you were to take our recommendations and put them towards your business, we strongly believe that you would see an increase in sales and popularity in your restaurant. While we understand that it is still your decision, we hope you give our recommendations thoughtful consideration and let us know when we can help you get started. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.